find the value of x in this exponential equation, and welcome to MLAC online tutorial. Now here is x raised to the power of x equals 5 raised to the power of x plus 25. Find the value of x. Alright, let's get started. First of all, let us simplify the right hand side of the equation. So the equation becomes x raised to the power of x equals 5 raised to the power of x. Now times 5 raised to the power of 25. Now take note, according to the law of indices, if you have a raised to the power of m plus n, now this is the same thing as saying a raised to the power of m times a raised to the power of what? N. And that is what I just did. This is exactly as the equation, and I've broken it down to this, which is the same thing as this. Okay, so at this point, let us divide both sides by 5 raised to the power of what? X. So this will eliminate this. So at this point, also note that if you have a raised to the power of n and b raised to the power of n, as long as they are having the same exponent, now we can say a raised to over b all raised to the power of what? N. Applying that rule here, we have x all over 5 all raised to the power of x then equals 5 raised to the power of what? 25. So at this point, let us apply the natural log, which is the ln, to both sides of the equation. Now here we have ln, then x all over 5 all raised to the power of x equals to ln 5 all raised to the power of 25. According to the law of indices, when you have log a raised to the power of n, this will give you n log a. Now applying this rule here we now have x ln x over 5 then equals 25 ln 5. So at this point, let's divide both sides by 5. Okay, so by dividing by 5 here 1, 5 here, we are left 5. Now at this particular point, this can also be written as x all over 5 ln x all over 5 then equals 5 ln 5. Okay, now you might be asking why. Now if we say we have a times b all over c, okay, now this can also be written as a all over c times b, or a times b all over what? C. Okay, so and that is the rule I've applied here to get this. So at this point, you can see that the left hand side of the equation equals to the right hand side of the equation, right? So which implies that you can see that this, the same thing here, and this one, the same thing here. So we can see that x all over 5 equals what? 5. So let us multiply 5 to both sides. So our x will give us what? 25. So this is the value of x that satisfies this exponential equation. Thank you and God bless you.